Hi, this is Michael Gomez, broker at Compass Nashville. Let me introduce you to this amazing development we have here called 6TeenOnCentral at 3746 Central Pike in Hermitage. Come check it out with me.
Hi, I'm Delisa Guerrier, and I'm the owner and developer of 6TeenOnCentral. Growing up, my mom was a pile driver, and I watched her build bridges. And so I said to myself, if my mom can build a bridge, I can build a house. So Hermitage has appealed to me as a mom, as a business owner, as a wife, because it's just such a family-centered area. There's trails all the way to downtown from here. There's parks and libraries just right across the street. And greenways, the lake is just 6 minutes down the road. So we love Hermitage. This 6TeenOnCentral project is just the beginning. Our phase 2 is going to be incredible.